I have a new video coming up a couple of days replacing the steering rack in this 2019 Teryx. Last ride we were on, I got hung up in a nice rut and it couldn't handle the spinning and these big tires, and then I got into a stump, popped the driver's side wheel back. Of course, you know, factory steering rack's not going to hold up to that. So ordered the new Rack Boss 2.0. My wheels are kind of straight, but steering wheel at one point was all the way upside down, so the top of it was at the bottom. And then the last little ride we went on, little night ride, I got into some rocks, popped it a couple of times, and got it back to where it's at now. But definitely got to change this rack out because you can't hardly drive it around the yard. Check out what I did to my dog's bowl. Got in a fight with the lawnmower, didn't win. Wasn't paying attention. But anyway, be posting that video in a couple of days. I got 2 more days of work, and then be replacing them off days. Be looking for that.